Hey guys, it's Cami from NoBiggie.net, and today we're gonna make Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. It is one of my all-time favorite desserts. The vanilla wafers in the pudding get soft like cake, and they're so good. You guys are gonna love this recipe. All right, first we are going to make the pudding, and it needs to set overnight. So I just have a little bit of water here to get the powder pudding mixture going. And we're just gonna whisk that together. And then we are going to add this sweetened condensed milk. So we're just gonna whisk those two together. And sometimes people think there's banana flavored Jell-O in this recipe, but the bananas itself give a nice banana flavor. You don't really need to do banana flavored pudding in it. So we are just gonna let this set up overnight. It's looking good, and then we will mix it, fold in some whipped cream later. Okay, now we're gonna whip the cream until it's kind of stiff, and then we're gonna fold it into the pudding mixture. Okay, so now we are going to fold the whipped cream and the pudding mixture together. You can do like small serving dishes, or you can do like one big one. It's just up to you on how you want it to serve it. Now we're gonna layer the banana pudding together. So we have our vanilla wafers, the pudding mixture, and the bananas. So I'm just gonna slice them up. You don't really wanna do this ahead of time because the banana is brown. And here's a great tip. So the top of the pudding, there will be bananas on top, and if you put them in pineapple juice, it kind of keeps them from browning, and it's like lemon juice, but not as tart, which is great. Okay, so we are just gonna put a little of the pudding mixture on the bottom. Okay, I'm just gonna spread a thin layer out there. Then we're just gonna start layering the cookies into the dish. And then we're gonna layer the bananas in, put them in between. And then once you get that layer on, then you're just gonna repeat this until you fill your dish. So we are now going to add more. We can even just pour some in, spread that out a little. So here's some pineapple juice, which is helpful for these bananas on the top layer from browning. So if you wanna just like put them into the pineapple juice, it just helps keep them from browning, and then they look better when you pull it out. We're just gonna finish this off. So now I'm gonna let this sit for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or overnight if you have the time. So I'm just gonna cover it with plastic wrap and move it to the fridge, and then we'll show you the finished product. Okay, so here is the finished product. We're serving this family style in a casserole dish, but you can easily do small ramekins or small mason jars for individual servings. For this recipe and more, visit my site, NoBiggie.net.